on day 2 of Microsite, which is ravepubs.com/ISE.
Do a quick booth tour, and if you're interested,
Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at ISE 2026, here at the SpinetiX booth, joined by Francesco Ziliani. First of all, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Yeah, you guys are celebrating here in the SpinetiX booth. So first of all, I would love to say happy 20th birthday.
Thank you.
That's a big deal, so congratulations.
Thank you. 20 years, it looks like yesterday, but we have done a lot of stuff. And yes, at ISE, we want to celebrate this with all our friends, all our customers who have trusted us so much in these years. And tomorrow we are going to have a big party. So if you're around, come over.
I love that. So you also have some announcements. You are big in digital signage as a service at this show. So I'd love for you to talk a little bit about what SpinetiX is doing with this.
Yes, absolutely. More and more our customers are asking us a simple to use solution, not only in terms of creating content, but as well in terms of the infrastructure. So they want to delegate to us all the risk of security, of redundancy, of compliance. And our business model, is introducing all this as a service. So that's why we say Digital Signage as a service, because for the customer it's really peace of mind. There are no hidden costs. They know they have a payment on a yearly basis, and that is everything they need.
I think that's really helpful because I think in terms of digital signage, a lot of AV end customers just think they can put something up and be done with it, but maintenance is actually a really big part of it. So it makes a lot of sense that you guys are now offering that.
Absolutely, you're right. And everything needs maintenance. Everything needs updates, in particular security. And nowadays, things are going very, very quick. So if a customer wants to internalize all that, it's a big investment. Not everyone can afford it unless there is a real reason. So all this simplicity is, I think, something the industry needs. And we want to keep them focusing on the message, on the content, and we take care of the rest.
Yeah, which is great. And the other thing I wanted to talk about is the hub. Tell me a little bit.
Yes, towards this idea of digital signage as a service, we are not only thinking end customer, but we are also thinking about system integrators. The life of a system integrator is not easy. They need to integrate a lot of technologies, not all at the same maturity level. So in the SpinetiX hub, we are planning to add all the tools in terms of asset management, license management, monitoring, deployment, update of firmware that the system integrator will need to use to do his job in a better way. And this is all about SpinetiX hub.
Very cool. And it's region specific too, right? Like it changes per region.
Yes, you get into more detail. It's true that data is a precious asset, and there are rules and there are laws that protect data, and these laws change depending on where you are, where the data is. So within the SpinetiX hub, we are capable now to offer our customer to decide where their data stays physically. So if you are in US, it's going to be in US. If you are in Europe, it's going to be in Europe. If you are in Switzerland, it's going to be in Switzerland. Each one has different laws, so you can be compliant as an organization and protect your customers and your employees' data.
That's very cool. What inspired you guys to come up with that?
Well, actually, that is really our background. We are coming, before launching SpinetiX, we were in security.
That's right.
And it's true that the maturity of the industry is towards safety, security, cybersecurity, and we see in the world we live, this is not something you can underestimate, whatever business you are. So we believe we have the skills, we have the know-how, and we know what our customer needs after 20 years. And yeah, we try to offer them as soon as possible.
That makes a lot of sense. What else are you showing here in the booth? Tell me a little bit about this. I saw my logo on here. I want to hit it.
We know digital signage is also about experience.
Yeah.
And sometimes small experience make a big impact. And today here with one of our greatest partner, QSys. This is a touch panel from QSys. We are demonstrating the capability to not only synchronize the content, but change the content interactively. So to welcome you, we just click Rave Pub, and you see,
I love
and
that.
as you are coming from
yes.
a snowy place, we activate snow on top of that. But of course,
Amazing. Yeah.
we are in Barcelona,
Yes,
so you
no
know,
snow.
football,
Yeah, football.
So we click the football box, and here you
Very
are,
cool.
everything you need.
That's awesome. Francesco, thank you so much. My last question for you is where can people find more about SpinetiX?
Our website, www.spinetix.com, is the place to be.
And don't forget, on our side, you can go to ravepubs.com/ISE for all your ISE 2026 news. I'm Steph Beckett, and we will see you next time.